Step back into the year 2015, a year brimming with impactful stories and major breakthroughs. January 7th, Charlie Hebdo, a French satirical weekly, faces a deadly terrorist attack in Paris. February 22nd, the dress phenomenon goes viral, with people debating whether it's blue and black or white and gold. March 24th, Germanwings Flight 9525 crashes in the French Alps, tragically killing all 150 on board. April 24th, Apple releases the Apple Watch, signaling a push into the wearable technology market. April 25th, a devastating earthquake hits Nepal, resulting in widespread destruction and loss of life. May 1st, the UK general election sees David Cameron's Conservative Party win a majority. June 26th, the US Supreme Court legalizes same-sex marriage nationwide in Obergefell versus Hodges. July 14th, Iran and the P5+1 nations reach a historic deal on Iran's nuclear program. August 28th, 3 Americans thwart a terrorist attack on a train from Amsterdam to Paris. September 10th, Elizabeth II becomes the longest reigning British monarch. September 24th, a stampede during Hajj in Mecca becomes one of the deadliest incidents in the event's history. October 23rd, the Hurricane Patricia becomes the most intense tropical cyclone ever recorded in the Western Hemisphere. November 13th, Paris is struck by multiple coordinated terrorist attacks, including the Bataclan Theater massacre. December 12th, the Paris Agreement on Climate Change is adopted by 196 parties at COP21. December 28th, China announces the end of its one-child policy after 35 years. NASA's New Horizons mission provides humanity's first close-up images of Pluto. The Syrian refugee crisis escalates as millions flee to Europe and the plight of refugees draws global attention. The FIFA corruption scandal unfolds, implicating several high-ranking officials in illegal activities. The discovery of liquid water flows on Mars opens new possibilities for life on the red planet. The World Health Organization declares the Ebola outbreak in West Africa over, after ravaging the region for 2 years. This was a short exploration of year 2015. Comment to suggest new timeline. Like and follow for more.